Hi guys, welcome to Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. Once again, we are still on the West Highland Way and I'm just doing a little series of videos, just tying things up, you know, with what things I'm using and what things I've changed. Today's video is on the clothing that I've been wearing on this multi-day hike because I have changed a few things and I've also got some things that are working really well. So the first thing I want to talk about is changing to trail shoes. Salomon X Ultra 5 Gore-Tex trail shoes. I have always been a big advocate for strong, heavy leather boots and they've served me well. But on the multi-day hikes, I've always struggled with sore feet, particularly Hadrian's Wall. If you remember, for regular viewers, one of my feet swelled to twice the size of the other. I've been doing my research and Day 3 particularly is hard underfoot, so I chose the Salomon X Ultra 5s because they are very stable. Like, they've got plenty of cushioning inside the heel, but they're very stable. There is still obviously the risk of going over on your ankle, but because of that stability in the sole, it reduces that risk significantly with the trail shoes. And the difference, you know, you're walking 12 to 20 miles a day, you're doing 25 to 50,000 steps a day, you're lifting 300 or so grams per step instead of 1 to 2 kilos. So the difference over the 6 days that we're doing this time around is going to be huge on my feet. So far, it has most definitely been the right decision. My feet feel absolutely brand new and the best they've done after a day's multi-day hiking. Now, I've always been a fan of stretchy, lightweight, quick drying pants, especially since I've lost the weight, but I've always struggled with finding a pair that's going to fit me. And these are the Moosehill Cycorld LD lightweight men's hiking pants. Believe it or not, I'm actually below a 34 waist now, and I just and so need a belt with these, but they're an extremely good fit. If I stand up, you can see they're a really good fit round the waist, perfect in length, just a nice little bit of stretch with them. When I splashed water on them earlier, the water did run off slightly before it started to soak in, and they're already dry. One thing for me is they have big deep pockets, so the chances of something falling out is very slim, and I can actually get my hands into them. You know, I've got quite big hands. One pocket velcro on the left hand side, again it's quite deep. Same on this side. You've got a zippable phone pocket on this side, and you've got 2 pockets on the back which are zippable. What you can also do is you can roll these up you've got a clip there and you can turn them into 3/4 shorts. So if you get a hot day and you fancy exposing a bit of skin on your legs, cooling down a bit, you most definitely can do. I haven't needed to do that yet on this camp, but that works perfect for me. These are $30.99. Once again, I will put the conversion, an up-to-date conversion in pounds on the screen, and there will be a link in the description. So if you fancy checking them out and getting yourself a pair, you can do. I've got a Northridge lightweight synthetic t-shirt on, so if I do start sweating, it will dry out really quickly. I've had this a couple of years now. If it's still available, I will put a link in the description. When you get to see the final video, you will notice that this first day was really particularly cold. We started off in the t-shirts, but I ended having to put my trusty Trespass lightweight fleece on. I've used this for years and I'm yet to find a better one than this. Once again, I'll do my research and see if it's still available. If it is, I will put a link in the description. If not, I will put a link to the closest that I can find. £135 for the Salomon X Ultra 5 Gore-Tex, and I will put a link in the description to those for you. So far, this clothing on this trip has worked absolutely spot on. Super impressed with the Salomons. That's eased the problems that I've been having with my feet. Absolutely love the Moosehill pants. Lightweight, stretchy, quick dry in, more than enough room in the pockets. Highly recommend these. These are the best walking pants that I've had so far. and the combination of the thin Northridge T-shirt and my Trespass fleece has been trusted for years, so I highly recommend both of those. Thank you for joining me on this quick update video. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. So once again, until next time, stay safe, much love from a Cumbrian lad.